Hey, taking over this channel. Taz, Issa's daddy.
What are you doing here? Excuse me, this is my channel.
I'm here today and we're making
Fried chicken breast.
tenders. Chicken tenders, bro. Alright, let's go. So first, we're going to make the wash. So you take an egg, bada bing.
Now you get some milk.
Some milk, bada boom.
Look at
Fork, and
then you mix it.
want to mix it up. We're gonna add a little bit of this. Thicken up that wash. And we're gonna have Issa mix it up.
Hey.
Okay, while he does that, we're gonna put the flour with all the seasoning in it into a container that we can dip the little chicken tenders into. Today we're using this one. We got this from HEB, and also we got this chicken.
We got the chicken tender
From HEB as well, antibiotic free. And no, this is not a paid advertisement. We are not sponsored by them. We just like to eat healthy in this state of Texas. We appreciate HEB. So we're gonna
Look at these tenders.
dip it in the wash, and then in here, and then we're gonna put it here. So we'll do it like this. One.
You must marinate in the batter.
Put it in here.
Then you keep layering it with the batter and the flour.
Boom. There's one. We'll do one more, and then we'll just go through and just do the rest. You ready? And how's that chicken tender over there looking?
Bubbling. It's getting crispy.
All right, can you turn the heat down a little?
For what?
To like a 2 or a 4 or a 3. Make sure that chicken gets cooked. You don't want to cook your tenders too fast. You want them at least 10-15 minutes so the chicken cooks thoroughly. And some people like to sous vide their chicken a bit before they do it. That's already cooked. And sous vide is just you put in a plastic bag, put in boiling water, wait till it's kind of cooked. That way when you fry it, you don't have to worry about is the insides cooked or not. You can just focus on the frying, making it crispy on the outside, knowing that the inside is already done.
Now after layering the chicken.
You don't want to stick plastic in the fire, alright? Metal or wood? Metal or wood. We got all these tenders in here going. So, you know, that's it.
Now once after layering your chicken and batter and flour, now you must put them in the pan and wait until golden brown.
And that's pretty much it.